Hi and hello, welcome back. Jana here with a new process video for the Hip Kit Club. Today is Mixed Media Monday, and that means we will play with the color kit this time. And this is also my first layout with the gorgeous March 2020 kits. And yeah, you can see I printed out 2 pictures with some golden numbers. I turned 40 last week, and just because of this whole situation of the virus and the crisis and everything, it was a very lonely birthday, and so I'm just scrapping about that. And I'm using a stencil from the February kits from the Vicky Booten pack, this the one with the stars, and I decided to create kind of a stencil with a piece of paper. I just wanted to add some circles filled with texture, and I also mixed both Nouveau mousses pastes together so that I will have this gorgeous peachy orange color, and I'm just adding a few areas with that color. Yeah, the first layouts with the new kits are always very hard to create, just because everything is just awesome and perfect, and it's nearly yeah, you know, it's very hard to make some decisions and choices and pick, and yeah. So here I'm just mixing the leftover color with some water so that I can splatter that one. I wanted to bring in some more pink, and so I'm just adding some pink from the mousse to the mix, and I'm just mixing it with water so that I can yeah, splatter it like a watercolor. And I really like the shimmery look of that mousse. So the background is done, and I stopped filming just because I needed to make some yeah, you know, just to get an idea what I want to create. And here, first thing, I decided to outline the circles with I'm sorry, with a black Sharpie, just for some contrast and some, I knew I wanted to bring in some black and white papers, and so I thought I would just outline the circles with a pen. Now I'm looking into the ephemera pieces and the Project Life cards. There are 2 black and white papers or cards I wanted to back my pictures with, and I grabbed also that peachy coral pinky colored one, and I will layer them behind my pictures. And I'm sorry about my voice, it's very early in the morning and I'm a bit tired, so I'm sorry. Yeah, just backing my pictures with the papers, and then I will start to look into the ephemera pieces. There are tons from Pebbles, I believe, and Heidi Swap. And yeah, this is just a birthday inspired layout, and I'm grabbing all the things, yeah, like that cake with happy birthday, and some flowers, that little gorgeous bear with flowers, and one sticker from the Heidi Swap pack that said unforgettable, just because it is a birthday I will never forget. So yeah. And now I'm looking into the stickers from Heidi Swap, grabbing some of these photo corners just in a light pink color, and I'm just flipping through and looking for the perfect little details. And these are some stickers from Pebbles, and I will grab Let's Celebrate, and yeah, but first I need to glue down everything else so that I can finish that layout. I also added some black thread behind the pictures. There's a little card or piece that said peace, love and rest, and my title is My Story, and I will bring in some journaling on a label. Placing that Let's Celebrate over that picture, bringing in some circles just because of the circles from the background, and then I will also bring in some little puffy dots, and oh yeah, some word stickers, and these are from Heidi Swap, I believe. Yeah. And yeah, just playing around, adding some here and there, and then I will grab the puffy stickers, and I believe some more or one more photo corner, and that will point to that title. I will also stamp that date onto the circle sticker underneath the picture. And now I'm just grabbing some tiny butterfly stickers from these Pebbles sticker sheet. And yeah, I am nearly done. I really love how it looks now. I love the circles in the background. And I just love the colors from the layout. And oh yeah, I also placed one of these gorgeous bows from the Mackie Holmes, I believe, or crepe paper onto that cake. And I believe that's it. I will now grab that label, and yeah, so thanks for stopping by. You will get a close-up and some final pictures, and that's it. Talk to you soon, and bye.